Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to power on your Tru-Point safely, navigate the key menus, and adjust the main settings to match your workflow. Before turning it on, plug your Tru-Point into a stable power source. If you can, use a surge protector. To power on, press the green button on the left side. Wait a few seconds for the system to boot. When you hear the startup chime and see the main menu, initialization is complete. When lifting the arms, don't grab the adjustable heads. Hold the solid arm section, lift carefully, and secure the arms with the clamps. Make sure the clamp locks are fully engaged. Also, work in a clear area. Avoid metal objects and anything that could interfere with the system. First, connect to the internet. Go to Service, then to Network Setup. Tap Scan. Select your network. Enter the password and tap Join. Next, go to System Diagnostics and confirm the cameras are detecting the targets. If the screen turns red, slightly raise or lower the arm until it turns green. That means the cameras are detecting all targets on the wheels. Then run system tests to verify the sensors respond correctly when they're moved. Now set your preferences. Go to Preferences to adjust language for the screen, reports, and keyboard. Confirm your units, decimal degrees, millimeters, and kilograms. Set the date and time format, and confirm the correct local time. Finally, open Status to confirm your subscription is active and check the last update. If you use cloud reporting, create an Altis account. Then go to Preferences and Cloud Services to enter your account details. Now you will be able to access all your Tru-Point reports right from your Altis account. That's it! Your Tru-Point is powered on, connected, verified, and customized, ready for consistent daily use. Thanks for watching.